Set an intention for the session that you're going to give your 100%. You're going to accept the session 100%. And whatever best you can do with the guidance, you're going to do that sincerely. आंखें खोल लें. We're going to do seated twist. आंखें खोल लीजिए. आगे ट्विस्टिंग करेंगे कमर की. Take your hands up and inhale. And exhale and twist towards the right side. कमर को घुमाएंगे. पहले कमर घूमेगी. ये हाथ घुटने पे आ जाएगा. So this is my left hand on my right knees. And then twist. First twist your waist. Then twist your shoulders and then twist your neck. And look back. पीछे की तरफ देखेंगे पूरा. Inhale deeply and exhale. Come back. वापस आ जाएंगे. वापस. Feel the stretch. Inhale in and exhale. Take your hands up one more time. Inhale. Stretch up. ऊपर की तरफ खींचेंगे. Stretch up. And exhale and twist towards left side. Right hand left knees पे होगा. First twist your waist. पूरा ट्विस्ट कर लो वेस्ट को. Then twist your shoulders. पूरा ट्विस्ट कर लो shoulders को. And then twist your neck. पूरा पीछे की तरफ देखेंगे. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply. Feel the stretch. पूरा पीछे का दिखना चाहिए. Inhale and exhale. And come back and relax. वापस आ जाओ. Relax करो. Inhale. Exhale. Take a relaxing breath. और अब बटरफ्लाई में आ जाएंगे. पैरों को बटरफ्लाई में रखेंगे. Sit straight. Try to touch your heels with the pelvic area. Back straight. Inhale in. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. And exhale deeply. Inhale one more time. And while exhaling, try to touch your nose with your knees. कोई सा भी एक साइड का knees पे टच करना है nose. Inhale in and exhale. Come back. Inhale in. And exhale and go towards the opposite side. Try to touch your knees, your nose with your knees. Inhale in and exhale deeply. Come back. Push your heels towards your pelvic area. Inhale in and exhale and bend forward while keeping your spine straight. Try to touch your knees or your forehead to the floor. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Inhale in and exhale. मेक श्योर योर बैक इज स्ट्रेट, पीठ सीधी होनी चाहिए, पीठ को राउंड नहीं करना है, चाहे कितना कम स्ट्रेट, कितना कम बेंड क्यों ना हो रहा हो. एंड कम बैक एंड रिलैक्स. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल, वापस नॉर्मल पोजीशन पे आ जाएंगे. Inhale in and exhale out. And for today's session, try to sit in this posture where both your feet are onto your thighs. Okay, inhale in and exhale. Hands in Gyan Mudra onto your knees. And now you can close your eyes. Throughout this session, we are going to do pranayam now. So keep your eyes closed. Just follow my instructions, whatever I'm saying, and you'll be able to pull it through. Kapalbhati से start करेंगे. Bring your concentration at your solar plexus chakra, which is situated above your navel, 3 to 4 inches above your navel. Imagine yellow color energy ball, and keeping your concentration there, we are going to do Kapalbhati. 20 strokes, 3 rounds. Focus on the quality of every stroke rather than the speed. Okay? Inhale in deeply. Exhale out. Keeping your focus at your solar plexus. Start with Kapalbhati, in which you only exhale from your nose. You just have to exhale. Inhalation happens automatically and passively. I hope you are exhaling and giving jerk to your belly while exhalation. So it will go in a rhythm like exhale, 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 exhale. Relax. Inhale in and exhale out. Feel your solar plexus chakra getting activated and energized. One more round. Exhale, 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 exhale. BP asthma patient, females menstruating, please avoid this. Exhale. Heart patients as well. Exhale, 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 exhale. Inhale in and exhale out. Relax. One relaxing breath and start again. Exhale, 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 exhale. Exhale, 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 exhale. Keep going until and unless your body permits you, while maintaining the quality of every stroke. Keep going till when you can. Inhale in deeply and exhale out. You can relax. Inhale in and exhale out. Take your right hand. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, your two fingers, your index finger and your middle finger between your eyebrows. With your ring finger of your right hand, close your left nostril. Inhale in through your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. And inhale in through your right nostril itself, not your left. This is not Anulom Vilom, this is Surya Bhedana. So inhale in through your right nostril and exhale out through your left. Inhale in through your right and exhale left. Inhale right, exhale left, inhale right, exhale left, inhale right, exhale left. You might feel a lot of energy build up within you after this. काफी ऐसे energized feel होगा. Keep inhaling from your right and exhaling from your left. And now I'm going to give you counting. Follow that counting. Inhale right, 8, 7, 6, keep inhaling, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, for 8, 7, 6, 5, keep exhaling, 2, 1, inhale right, for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale left, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. मुझे कुछ लोगों की मुंडियां ट्विस्टेड दिख रही हैं, उनको स्ट्रेट कर लो. फॉरवर्ड देखना है, एकदम सीधे देखना है. Okay, we'll start one more round. Inhale right and give yourself counting. Do a few rounds on your own. Pooja, are you saying something? Please type it over the chat.
Okay.
Please type it over chat. I cannot hear you. There's music also in the background. You have anxiety. Okay. So should I do Chandra? You do left nostril breathing. Yes, you do left nostril breathing. Okay, relax. हाथ नीचे. Come back. Eyes remain closed. आंखें बंद. Inhale in deeply, normal breath, and exhale out. Inhale in deeply, and exhale out. Bring your focus onto your solar plexus chakra. Do some belly breathing. Breathe into your diaphragm. When you're inhaling in, feel that your diaphragm is moving out. And when you're exhaling, feel that your diaphragm is shrinking. Inhale in, your diaphragm moves out. Inhale in, your diaphragm moves out. And exhale out, your diaphragm shrinks. Inhale in, diaphragm moves out. Shoulders also move up. Exhale out, diaphragm moves in, and your shoulders drop. Inhale, diaphragm out, shoulders up. Exhale, diaphragm in, shoulders drop. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, diaphragm out, shoulders up. शोल्डर्स को ऐसे बहुत एविडेंटली अप नहीं करना है. जब आप इनहेल करोगे तो थोड़ा सा अपने आप ऊपर को हो ही जाएगा. एंड एक्सेल, डायफ्राम इन, शोल्डर्स ड्रॉप. Inhale in, diaphragm out. Shoulders up. Exhale, diaphragm in, shoulders drop. Within you, you will be able to feel that shoulders up and down. Keep breathing, keep going on your own. Take one last round and then conclude. Come back. Focus on your solar plexus chakra. The Bij mantra for the solar plexus is Ram, R-A-M, Ram. Just like the way we do Om chanting, and from the past 2 days we are doing Lam and Vam chanting. We are going to do Ram chanting today. Inhale in deeply. Ram. It is not Ram, it is Ram. Okay? And keep your concentration on your solar plexus chakra itself. Imagine yellow color energy ball above your navel. Inhale in. Ram. Ram. Inhale. Ram. Ram. I want you to do 2 more rounds of Ram chanting on your own while focusing on your solar plexus chakra, yellow color, energy ball, and try to listen to your own Ram and feel the vibration at your solar plexus. Come on, start. Inhale in and start. Come back. Relax. Keep concentrating at your solar plexus. See it expanding. The yellow color energy ball becoming bigger and bigger and better with every breath. Make sure that every breath that you take reaches the solar plexus, energizing it even more. And more. And more. And expanding it. Expanding it even more outside your body. Giving you the confidence, the energy to be you, to speak up for yourself. Increasing your self-confidence. See with this expansion your self-confidence increasing, your self-worth, your self-esteem increasing, getting better. The way you look at yourself increasing and getting better, not with ego, but with healthy ego and confidence. With today's practice, while keeping your concentration at your solar plexus, be grateful, be thankful to your solar plexus for being there with you, giving you the energy and the confidence when you need it the most. With this gratitude and thankfulness, join your hands, bow down, offer your gratitude, say thank you. Thank you to God, to universe, to Mother Earth, to nature. Say thank you to your family, entire family, relatives, ancestors, loved ones, your parents, and very importantly to yourself. Be genuinely thankful. Feel the gratitude. Sit back straight. Rub your hands, hold your hands, and the positive energy that you've created for yourself, expand it, multiply it between your hands, and put it all over your face. And very slowly, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. It was lovely doing pranayama with you. Okay. Crazy session. Thank you, Pooja. I get to hear a lot of calm, peaceful kind of thing, but crazy I never expected also. But yeah, good to know. I'm so glad that you enjoyed it. Okay, anybody else got anything to share, speak? Nandini ji, I think you're joining for the first time. Time passed away very quickly. Yes, it does happen when we are in that zone now. It's called the 4D world that we are in, where there is no time, no space, no logic. When we reach there, that is a lot of magic happens. in that space. A lot of manifestations also get fulfilled. If you ask for something, think about something. So it helps with manifestations also. Okay. Okay. No more sharing. Thank you for Nandini ji. Where are you joining from? Which city? You can unmute and speak out. There's no harm in that. Indore. Okay. That's great. Okay. Have nice Goa jalebis. Okay. Thank you, Kavalji ji. See you all tomorrow for your heart chakra. Let's feel a lot of love and join tomorrow's session. Okay. Take care, all of you. Bye bye. Have a great day. Oh, Pooja is also from Indore. Okay.